Right, part 2. Ground cable. What you gotta do, I've already got it loose. It's a 10 millimeter and a 9/16. 10 millimeter, it bolts right there to the frame. And then if you can see right down here, yeah, right there, it bolts to the engine. So we're going to take that off and check it out. I got the new cable. All they had was a 72-inch. I needed a 48. I'll just have to route it somewhere that don't look too stupid. But let's see. Get her right down in there. Right there. So I'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll let it run for a while and see if it will start back. Okay, so this is the blue truck. And if you look down here at this ground, let's see. Okay, you see that? Move my big fat finger. Okay, that is, it has like a gap in the protective cable, and then it's grounded to the body. Okay, now, old Rusty Wallace didn't have that. It just went from the battery straight to the engine. So what I've done on the new one is I split the wire. Probably could have done it a little shorter, but it is what it is. And put this clamp on it, and I just made it out of one of these. Took off the rubber part, and then put it in my vise and squeezed it tight so that it's on there real tight. And I'm gonna put it on there, and then I'm gonna ground it to the body, or to the frame like it's supposed to be. And that may help, for real. So let's get that on there, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Clean her up a little bit. All right, check this out. I get to where you can see it. See there? Clamp to the frame, grounded good. Now I got to put it back in the engine and hook her to the battery, and we'll see how she does. Recap. Replace the ground wire to the block and added this to the frame like it's supposed to be. You can see. So now we're going to start her up. I also switched out the solenoid. Had to pay $18 more because they didn't have the same one, so that's a $50 solenoid. But if it works, I don't care. So let's let her heat up, and then see what we got. Me and this guy's gonna drive around, get her a little hot. Have a copper top. Let's see if she'll start back. Sounds pretty good. My muffler is hitting the floorboard. You can hear it vibrate. I'm gonna take it tomorrow to get it fixed. So that's what that noise is. The mirrors flapping in the wind. I'm loving it. Back with you once you warms up. Man, I love this truck. It just drives so smooth. Sounds good. It's got to 100 horsepower. Aluminum heads, aluminum intake. Of course, we got the Edelbrock 4-barrel already. What else we got? Well, I want to do headers. Me and old Copper loves this thing. Look at this thing. How cool is that? How cool is a truck dog? Copper. Good boy. We've got her up to about 170 right now. Just cruising around. Not really running the car. My 300 inline six-cylinder in the blue truck, man, they just something about a V8. It just, you know, I mean, you don't even have to listen to the radio. I can just listen to the exhaust sound for days. So, when I get into 300 six-cylinder and give it gas, I'm like, I really like that 351. Moment of truth. She's off. She's about 180. Copper's ready. You'll get out. Go on, get out. All right, let's see if it'll start. It did start, but as you heard, it was a hard start. So, ground cable was not it. Next, we'll check the timing. See what the old dude's got the timing set at. We'll have to get her at top dead center and see what he's got her on. That'll be part 3. Daggone it.